guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show y'all how to make slime. It's not that hard. It's very easy. All you need is just 3 ingredients. Glue, hair gel, and something to make it smell good. You can use any air freshener. I like this one because it smells good. Refreshing. So I will put the glue in here. Now you want to add some hair gel. You can I declare to use this. Y'all can try other hair gels. It doesn't really matter. It kinda does, cause I don't know what kind of hair gel y'all have. So put down in the comments what kind of hair gel do you have, so I can try it out and see if it makes slime. Or you can try it out and tell me if it worked or it didn't work, and tell me why it didn't work, because it depends what kind of hair gel you use, because some hair gels just doesn't work. So I will stir this up when I come. As you see, that I had to put it in a different container because that container is too small for this slime. And I will be giving away 4 large slimes like this. 4 large slimes. Just type it below in the comments what kind of slime would you like. You have to enter it. So if you want to enter it, you're going to have to share my video. You have to like all my videos and subscribe to this channel to win those 4 slimes. So that should be done. Now I'm going to add some refresher. Now you see that I have stirred it. Put that in. So now I am going to add some detergent in it. You can use any kind of detergent. You can use arm handler, I think, Gain, Tide, any detergent that you can find. So let me add. As you can see that I added, so let me stir it. I'll be right back after I'm done stirring this. So you can see that I poured it out. Now I have to knead it. I'm sorry that it's dark in here. It's because that the sun is going down. But this is what the slime turned out to be. And after when you're done making this slime, make sure you wash your hands so you don't have to smell the detergent on your hands. It depends what color is the detergent, because if it's blue, then the slime will turn blue. So I hope you have a nice day. And have a great evening on Black Friday. So have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe. Comment below how did your slime turn out, and comment that did I help you or did I help you to learn how to make this hair gel slime. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and share this video. Thank you.